Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you struggling to keep your clients informed and engaged? With GoHighLevel, you can instantly connect through bulk SMS for promotions, reminders, and more. Let me show you just how easy it is. Let's dive in. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Contacts tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll manage all your bulk SMS communications. Next, select the contacts you want to send an SMS to. Once selected, click on Send SMS. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply click OK Proceed. Now it's time to craft your message. Once you've written your SMS, choose how you want to send it. Send all at once. Send at a scheduled time. Or send in drip mode for gradual delivery. Finally, add a description for your SMS and click Send SMS. That's it. Your message will be automatically sent to your contacts. And there you have it. Ready to elevate your lead management? Start your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel today and ensure a successful launch by scheduling your kickoff call. Check out the links in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.